Hello, students. Welcome back. The key to success is to focus on goals and not the obstacles with this thought in mind. And with you all, journey towards the success is just like a roller coaster with various ups and downs, but people with passion are able to overcome all the challenges which accompany their journey. How they are able to overcome all the challenges. This is because the intrinsic motivation and the power of passion in them is stronger than any other person. You love all the subjects to study with love, and then you will find what is the outcome. It will be wonderful. So, students, today we are going to start our civics, and the topic will be democracy and diversity. As earlier in two lessons, I have explained you about the federalism and power sharing. But in this lesson, I am going to provide you information about social differences, divisions, and inequalities. The contents are a story from Mexico Olympics, and the second will be differences, similarities, and divisions. Third, origins of social differences. Fourth topic will be overlapping and cross-cutting differences. You just go through this picture, and in the beginning I am going to explain you regarded to this picture. See how they are standing in the position of human rights, that how they are being ill-treated in the society. These two athletes belong to Afro-Americans, means their mother they came and settled in America, and because of that only they took birth in America. As they are black in color, so in all way they were ill-treated in the society. The third one is Peter Norman. He is also an athlete, and all three participated in the Olympics in 1968. So they are telling that they are providing many of the medals to the nation, to the country. But even then, there is racial discrimination in the society. See, the picture on previous page depicts an important landmark in the history of civil rights movement in the United States. These represent the medal ceremony of the 200-meter race in 1968 Olympics, which was held in Mexico City. Mexico, it is a city of North America. It is a part of United States which lies in the south of Canada. The two men standing with the clenched fist are praised and heads bowed, while the American national anthem was played are the US athletes Tommy Smith and John Carter. कि जिस टाइम वहाँ पे नेशनल एंथम हो रहा था तो एवरीबडी नोज दैट व्हेन नेशनल एंथम इज बीइंग संग वी हैव टू स्टैंड इन अटेंशन पोजीशन. तो लोगों का ध्यान अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए व्हाट दे डिड, वो जान के अपना सर नीचे झुका के हाथ को सीधा करके और नीचे उन्होंने शूज नहीं डाले हुए थे, by which to get the attention of the people. As they had won the gold and bronze medal, and Peter Norman, he wore silver medal. They received their medals wearing black socks and no shoes to represent black poverty. Means that how in America they were ill-treated, how the black people were ill-treated in the society. So the black gloved and raised clenched fists were a mean to symbolize black power. The silver medalist, that is white Australian athlete Peter Norman, as there is one difference that two belong to black racial discrimination and this one is white in color. Even then they were having one similarity, that was their choices were the same. All three were athletes. Now the second topic regarding this is, and later on what happened that as they were ill treated, their statues were being put in the university. So later on, the International Olympic Association held Carlos and Smith guilty of violating the Olympic spirit by making a political statement. Their medals were taken back home. They were subjected to a lot of criticism. उन लोगों को बहुत ही बुराइयों का सामना करना पड़ा. Even apart from that, Peter Norman, he also suffered a great loss. कि उससे भी बैच ले लिया गया और उसे नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक्स के लिए मना कर दिया दैट यू आर नॉट सपोज टू पार्टिसिपेट इन नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग ओलंपिक्स. So, but the action, but as they just stand in favor of human rights, it took a positive role in gaining international attention for the civil rights movement in US. Recently, the St. George State University of which they were former, जिसके वो students थे, honored them and installed their statue in the university campus. When Peter Norman died, Smith and Carlos were pallbearers at his funeral. कि उसको कांधा देने के लिए both the friends, the athletes, they reached over Peter Norman's house. So next that is differences, similarities and तो इसमें आपका क्या चाहते हैं that how you have differences among various groups. So the athletes in the example above were responding to social divisions and social inequalities. But does that happen only in societies which have racial discriminations? No. It is in each and every, earlier I explained you about the Belgium and Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, that how Sinhalese were having control on Sri Lankan Tamil people, and in Belgium as French speaking people they were less in number, even then they were dominating over the Dutch speaking people. They were showing their regional as well as social divisions. In the case of Belgium, we noted that people who live in different regions speak different languages. In Sri Lanka, we noted linguistic as well as religious differences. Linguistic, why? Because they were forcing people to speak Sinhalese. Apart from that, they have to practice Buddhism religion. So in this case, there are two differences. One on the basis of language and another on the basis of religions. कि भाषा के आधार के साथ साथ धर्म के आधार पर भी वहाँ लोगों के साथ भेदभाव किया जाता था. That is called as social diversity. So social diversity can take different forms in different societies. Basically, origins of social differences are on two categories. Firstly, based on accident of birth. Another is based on our choices. In based on accident of birth, as these social differences are mostly based on accident of birth, we all experience social differences based on accident of birth in our daily lives. People around us are male or female, or we are having tall, short, dark. So it is not in our hands. It is God gifted only that how we get the shape of our body. Apart from that, they are tall, short, have different kinds of complications, or having different physical abilities, complexions, disabilities, but all kind of social differences are not based on accident of birth. It is also based on our choices. Firstly, occupation, second is religion, third is subjects of preferences. Occupation means you are having, one family is having 4 brothers and sisters. If they adopt various professions, jobs, on the basis of that they are having their own circles. अब एक घर में अगर 4 बहन भाई हैं, एक अगर प्रोफेसर की पोस्ट पे हो जाता है और एक प्योर, इट इज़ टोटली अप टू देयर knowledge, up to their education, that how much they get education and how they can move ahead. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर एक घर में एक चपरासी हो जाता है, एक ऊंची पोस्ट पे है, तो देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंस अमंग दैट. कम वाले को अपना लगेगा दैट ही इज़ नॉट एबल to stand with that person. So differences that start introducing in the family. Second is religion. I belong to Hindu religion, you belong to any other religion, various people. So sometimes what happens that people they start fighting on the basis of their religions. That mine is the best, mine is the best. Thirdly, the subjects of preferences. That what you prefer. Basically in this, people belonging to different social groups share differences and similarities cutting across the boundaries of their groups. In this, I can give you example, subject of preference, as I explained you with the help of that picture, that 3 athletes were there, 2 belonging to America region, they were called as the Afro-Americans, and the third one, Peter Norman, he belonged to Australia. But the similarity was that all 3 were athletes who came for Olympiads. So in this, different who was white, but they are also similar in other manner, that they stood against racial discrimination, mean for human rights, they fought together. It is fairly common for people belonging to the same religion to feel that they do not belong to the same community because the caste section is different. But in another manner, they feel close to each other. So now the next, as in the same manner, rich and poor persons. अभी जैसे मैंने आपको बताया एक फैमिली में जो एक अमीर है एक गरीब है. In this, I am giving you showing one picture which will reflect the apartheid, means how there is differentiation between the black and the which was done in Africa region. See, apartheid is not racism. We have come up with this great new slogan that how they are ill-treated in the society. Our fourth topic, that is overlapping and cross-cutting differences. In overlapping differences, blacks being ill-treated by whites. बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि काले लोग जो हैं उन्हें वाइट लोग बुरी तरह से इल ट्रीट करते हैं. एंड दे आर टोटली बीइंग कंसिडर कि अगर काले हैं भाई तो तुम गरीब भी हो, तुम पढ़े लिखे भी नहीं हो, अनपढ़ हो. थर्डली, ब्लैक फेस discrimination means if you are black in color, totally you will be ill-treated in the society. Then blacks in US. In US, I am giving the example of John Carlos and Tommy Smith. Both are athletes and belong to US. They are ill-treated in US, and in our country, Dalits are ill-treated. But now our constitution has given special privileges to them, that at least 1/3 seats should be reserved for them for the upliftment of their standard. Then results in social divisions, that how on the basis of money, richness, you are just categorizing people. Tensions and conflicts. In families also what happen? One brother is earning a lot, another is not able to earn. So tensions that start create in the family, conflicts. And in this I am giving you example of disintegration of Yugoslavia. Basically in this, I will just tell you that how difference between the blacks and the whites becomes a social division in US. As black people, they are poor, homeless, and as I gave you Dalits example. Now in cross-cutting differences, if social differences they cross-cut, कि एक के अलावा कुछ और भी उनके बीच में differences है, that is termed as cross-cutting. So they are having common interests, multicultural accommodation. One group cannot be made to threat other group. Differences cut across each other, Catholics and Protestants in Netherlands. In this, I am giving you example of overlapping and cross-cutting, that in Northern Ireland, Catholics both are belonging to Catholics and Protestants, both are belonging to the Christians group. But in Northern Ireland, totally it is being divided that if you are Catholics, it means you are poor. This example I am giving you of Northern Ireland. कि नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड में माना जाता है कि अगर आप कैथोलिक ग्रुप के हो तो इट मीन्स आपको मान लेंगे कि आप गरीब हो, और अगर आप प्रोटेस्टेंट्स हैं तो इट मीन्स यू बिलोंग टू द रिच सोसाइटी. बट आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल रिगार्डिंग नीदरलैंड्स. नीदरलैंड्स, इट इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ यूरोप ओनली. in Netherlands, class and religion cross to each other. ऐसा नहीं है कि कैथोलिक्स जिसने अडॉप्ट किया है तो वो सारे ही गरीब हैं या सारे ही हैं. दे आर इन मिक्स्ड. few are rich and few are poor. In the same manner, Protestants also. So they are not forced to adopt either Catholics or Protestants. So this is termed as cross-cutting, means multicultural accommodation. How they try to adjust, किस तरीके से वो आपस में शेयर करके रहते हैं in a friendly manner. So the result is that Catholics and Protestants have had. तो यहाँ पे क्यों नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं? Why conflicts arise in? Because there is totally a gap between the rich and the poor. कि भाई अगर आप कैथोलिक हो तो मीन्स आप गरीब हो, और प्रोटेस्टेंट्स हो तो मीन्स रिच. तो उनके बीच में एक वाइड गैप. नाउ सोशल divisions of one kind or another exist in most countries. Example, the country is small or big. India is a big country with many communities, and even then we try to have equality among each and every people in a respectful manner. Belgium also having various communities. Even those countries such as Germany and Sweden that were once highly homogeneous. Homogeneous means a society that has similar kind of, means जहाँ एक ही तरह के लोग रहते हैं, where there are no significant ethnic, वहाँ पे आपस में कोई differences नहीं होते हैं. So in this sense, most countries of the world are मल्टीकल्चरल. मल्टीकल्चरल मीन्स जहाँ एक से ज़्यादा संस्कृति, एक से ज़्यादा धर्म को अपनाया जाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ओवरलैपिंग एंड क्रॉस कटिंग. दिस वन इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ USA, हाउ द ब्लैक पीपल दे आर हैविंग white face cover by which they can just save themselves, protect themselves from the discrimination, and how Dalit people are being ill-treated in the society. So the differences between the blacks and the whites in US, because the blacks were poor and homeless and they were discriminated in the country. In our country, Dalits tend to be, माना जाता है कि Dalit means poor, but now the condition is quite different. अगर आप जितना भी सर्वे करोगे तो they are richer than we people and the landless, so they face discrimination and injustice. तो यहाँ दो डिफरेंसेस हो गए. एक तो उनसे रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, दूसरा उनके साथ व्यवहार अच्छा नहीं, न्याय नहीं होता. तो दैट इज ओवरलैपिंग. डिफरेंसेस क्रिएट पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ डीप सोशल डिविजन एंड टेंशन. क्रॉस कटिंग एंड ओवरलैपिंग. Our fifth topic, that is politics of social divisions. Democracy leads to. Sixth, that is range of outcome of politics of social divisions. And the last topic, that is three determinants. Politics of social divisions. How do these social divisions affect politics? What does politics do to these social divisions? Democracy involves competition among various political parties. The competition tends to divide any society and lead to conflict, violence, or even डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ए कंट्री. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर एक कंट्री में एक से ज़्यादा कम्युनिटी के लोग, कास्ट के लोग, कल्चर के, एंड दे ट्राई टू हैव फैक्टर ऑन अदर, दूसरे के ऊपर आप प्रेशराइज करके अपने धर्म को अपनाना चाहें या अपने कास्टिज्म को सुपीरियर दिखाना चाहें, तो नेचुरली देयर विल बी ए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विच इज़ नॉट गुड. इट विल क्रिएट जस्ट violence, and it will divide the country into. In this, I am giving you example of Yugoslavia. Democracy leads to competition among political parties. जितनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होती हैं वो अपने आप को सबसे सुपीरियर मानती हैं. सेकेंडली, competition divides society. Society that totally depends on various type of groups, that how they can overcome from the inferiority. Third, turns them into political divisions. तो सोसाइटी हमारी अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल डिविजन्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है ऑन द नेम ऑफ देयर कास्टिज्म एंड ऑल दैट. फोर्थ, लीड्स टू वायलेंस, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एंड डिसइंटीग्रेशन. कि इससे क्या होता है दैट द कंट्री इज बीइंग डिवाइडेड इनटू वेरियस पार्ट्स बिकॉज ऑफ कल्चर, कास्ट, creed, and color. See, political and social divisions. Basically, 3 points that come under this. Firstly, combination of politics and social division is very dangerous. अगर इन दो चीज़ को हम एक साथ मिक्स कर देते हैं, it will create tension in the country. Second, democracy involves competition among various political parties. They try to divide the society. Democracy में क्या है? Basically, it is for the people, by the people, to the people, and people they are having right to choose a candidate. लेकिन इसमें क्या होता है कि social divisions होते चले जाते हैं. Thirdly, it makes social division into political division and creates conflicts and violence and even divides the country into various parts. In this, I am giving you example of a small story of Bulgaria, Romania और India. चाहे कोई country हो, there is discrimination, racial discrimination, or it is on the basis of casteism कि किस तरह से इधर रिच सोसाइटी को हॉस्पिटल्स में प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट मिल रहा है एंड फॉर द पुअर सोसाइटी दे आर नॉट बीइंग ट्रीटेड वेल. सो बेटा, यू जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस स्टोरी. Now, range of outcome of politics of social divisions. It is being classified into two categories, that is negative outcome, second is positive outcome. Firstly, disintegration. They say that it tries to divide the country into various parts. जैसे कि मैंने बोला आपको यूगोस्लाविया में they are not able to accommodate each other, तो नेचुरल सी बात है वो 6 अलग अलग स्मॉल स्टेट्स में डिवाइड हो गया. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, टेंशन्स विच क्रिएट टेंशन्स. इकोनॉमिक लॉस, क्योंकि जब हम अपने आप को सुपीरियर मानेंगे और दूसरे को हर तरीके से नीचे गिराने की कोशिश करोगे, देन इट विल बी अ ग्रेट लॉस. Material loss means there will be no development in the nation. In this, you see that I am giving you example of Northern Ireland. There basically Christianities and Protestants are there. Christianity that belong in Protestants, they were the rich society, and Catholics, they were the poor people. तो नेचुरल सी बात है दैट दे वर नॉट एबल टू अपलिफ्ट देमसेल्व्स. पॉजिटिव आउटकम्स, दैट इफ वी विल जस्ट कम टुवर्ड्स द पॉलिटिशियन, द प्रोटेस्टेंट्स वर रिप्रेजेंटेड. So hundreds of civilians, militants and security forces were killed in the fight between unionists as well as UK government and the nationalists reached a peace treaty. Peace treaty का क्या मतलब होता है? जब हम चाहते हैं कि लोगों को आपस में मिलकर रहना सिखाएं. At the same time, every expression of social divisions, redressal of grievances in which these divisions are reflected in politics. In a democracy, it is only natural that political parties would talk about these divisions. They make promises to different communities, various communities, make policies to, और ये बताते हैं कि अगर आपका कोई लॉस होगा तो हमारी पार्टी अगर आती है तो we will do positive aspects for you people. Social divisions affect voting in most countries. That also, जो candidate contenders होते हैं, and on the basis of that, if he belong to one community and maximum vote people they are in majority, naturally that person will win the election. Then in many countries there are parties that focus only one. In this I can give you example of China. There is community government. Now, 3 determinants. Basically 3 determinants, it's our last topic of this lesson, that determinants of outcome of politics of social divisions. These are basically three how people perceive their identities. कि आप अपनी पहचान कैसे बनाते हो. आप कह रहे हो दैट आई बिलोंग टू यूपी स्टेट की नहीं मैं यूपी का हूँ, और you just start telling that I am the citizen of India. Second, how the leaders raise the demands of community. कि अपनी डिमांड्स को किस तरीके से वो दिखाते हैं कि अगर मैं पावर में आया तो आई विल डू दिस फॉर यू पीपल. थर्ड, हाउ गवर्नमेंट रिएक्ट्स टू द डिमांड्स ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप्स, कि गवर्नमेंट की क्या रिएक्शंस होती है फॉर दैट. तो परसीव देयर आइडेंटिटीज में दे हैव टेकन टू सिंगुलर टर्म्स एंड मल्टीपल एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स. बेसिकली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द आउटकम डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ पीपल परसीव देयर आइडेंटिटीज, कि वो किस तरह से अपनी पहचान बनाते हो. इसमें आप एग्जाम्पल नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड का ले लीजिए कि दे वर टोटली बीइंग कैटेगराइज्ड. कैथोलिक्स मीन्स पुअर पीपल, प्रोटेस्टेंट्स मीन्स रिच पीपल. अनदर दैट इज मल्टीपल नीदरलैंड क्यों? कैथोलिक्स रिच भी थे, पुअर भी थे, एज वेल एज प्रोटेस्टेंट्स दे वर रिच एज वेल एज द पुअर पीपल. Another example of Belgium in lesson 1, as I have explained you, a majority of Belgians now feel that they are as much Belgian as they are Dutch or German speaking. Why? Because it helps to live you stay together. This is how much most people in a country see their identity. तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है that you take on the basis of your religious community, you go according to the language group or the social. तो हर लोग की, हर नागरिक की एक अपनी सोच होती है. सो सेकेंड, हाउ द लीडर्स रेज, इसमें ऑनेस्ट एंड बायस. It depends on how political leaders raise the demands of any community. In this, demands that are within the constitutional framework and are not at the cost of another community. In this, I am giving you example of Sinhalese group. The demand for only Sinhala was at the cost of interest and identity of the Tamil community in Sri Lanka. वो चाहते थे क्यों? Because Buddhism group they entered Sri Lanka और उनकी क्या डिमांड थी कि खाली एक अकेली सिन्हा, we want our own group also. Third example I am giving you in Yugoslavia. As they were not accommodated, they were having different ethnic communities, उनके डिमांड्स अलग थी, तो वो अपने आप को एक सिंगल कंट्री में नहीं रह पाए, and they just disintegrated into 6 parts. Third and the last determinant, how government reacts to the demands of social groups. It depends on how the government reacts to demands of different groups. Key example, Belgium and Sri Lanka. If the rulers are willing to share power, they just try to accommodate the minority community also. Social divisions become less threatening for the country. But if they try to suppress, अगर आप देश की यूनिटी को ख़त्म करना चाहेंगे तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? नेगेटिविटी, and there will be sowing the seeds of disintegration. मीन्स तो अथॉरिटेटिव के अंदर क्या है कि आप किस तरह से लोगों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करते हैं इन पॉजिटिव मैनर और इन नेगेटिव मैनर. बट अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स डाइवर्सिटी and a willingness to accommodate it to not come about easily. People who feel marginalized, जिन्हें लगता है कि नहीं हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है, इनजस्टिस, तो naturally in next election they will. So in our country I am giving you example that there is free and fair elections, that on the however history shows that democracy is the best way to fight for recognition and also to accommodate diversity. कि अपनी पहचान के लिए you can fight and it's your right because there is one man, one vote. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Thank you. Strive for progress, not perfection. That's all for today. Best of luck for today's learning.